Okay, so here we have another problem for atomic and molecular physics from GATE 2023. Very good question. Atomic number of an atom is given to you 6. What is the spectroscopic notation of its ground state according to Hund's rule? Spectroscopic notation का मतलब होता है ये वाला 2s plus 1 Lj. ये निकालनी है आपको ग्राउंड स्टेट के लिए एज पर Hund's rule. तो पहली बात जो एटॉमिक नंबर है वो है 6. Okay, if atomic number is 6, what you can say? Here we are doing the solution. Okay. Atomic number 6 means Z is equals to 6. Z equals to 6 means there are 6 number of electrons. There are 6 number of electrons. ये तो समझ में आ गया. तो अभी 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसा हो जाएगा? Electronic configuration, how will it look like? We know it 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay, so here basically 2p2 we have to consider. So this is the p subcell 1, 2, 3. Here we are writing ml values. Two electrons are there, one दूसरा. This is plus 1 0 minus 1. तो यहाँ से हम लोग L के वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. What is the value of L? L is equals to sum over ml. और m कैपिटल में लिखे हो तो m कैपिटल में ही लिख सकते हो, यहाँ पे भी, यहाँ पे भी. तो ये आपका 1 आ रहा है. What about S? 2 आप स्टेट है तो क्या क्या हो सकता है आपका S value? half plus half equals to 1. So your J value can go from modulus of L minus S to L plus S. So it can go up to 0 to 2, मतलब 0, 1 and 2. ये 3 वैल्यू ले सकते हैं. अभी इसमें देखो, दिस इज लेस देन हाफ फील्ड सबसेल. लेस देन हाफ फील्ड. लेस देन हाफ फील्ड के केस में नॉर्मल ऑर्डरिंग होता है. नॉर्मल ऑर्डरिंग, नॉर्मल ऑर्डर मीन्स लोएस्ट जे विल लाई लोएस्ट. जिसका जे लो होगा वो स्टेट उतना लो लाई करेगा. सो लोएस्ट जे यहाँ पे कौन सा है? लोएस्ट जे यहाँ पे 0 है. So that will be the J value of the ground state. अब स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपिक सिंबल जो है 2s plus 1 L A. 2s plus 1 यहाँ से निकाल सकते हैं. 2s plus 1 2 into 1 plus 1 मतलब हो गया 3. So 3, what is the L value? Is 1 corresponding to P and J is 0. So this is the spectroscopic symbol for ground state. Spectroscopic symbol for ground state. I hope you understood this, and this is matching with option A, CP0. So if you have any doubt regarding this solution, you can let me know in the comment section. And guys, this special offer is going on. 28 is the last day to avail this offer. So if you are willing to take it using this referral code PhysicsHub, PHYSICXHUB, PHYSICXHUB. You'll be getting the maximum benefits. You can prepare all the 9 units of your CS100 physical science syllabus by just simply taking one Unacademy Plus subscription using this referral code. So this is all for this video, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like CSR NET, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TFR. Especially if you are preparing for CSR NET Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of CSR NET Physical Science syllabus. My approach is especially, I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take an Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code PhysicsHub, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you.